Hello everyone. Today, we're stepping into one of the most powerful shifts happening in real estate right now. Not tools, not trends, but leverage. The kind of leverage that allows one agent to operate like a full team. Imagine handling more deals, responding faster to clients, analyzing properties in minutes, and doing it all without burning out. That's what building your own AI assistant makes possible. Today, we will discuss the following topics. First, what it means to build your own AI assistant. Second, chain of thought and few-shot prompting. Third, building a custom GPT for real estate. Fourth, creating a reusable real estate prompt library. Fifth, automating deal analysis with prompt workflows. Sixth, client communication automation. Seventh, connecting ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini into one system. Eighth, measuring and improving your AI system. Ninth, advanced techniques, role stacking, and constraint prompting. 10th, your AI assistant build plan. What it means to build your own AI assistant. Building your own AI assistant is not about coding or software development. It's about designing a system of prompts that work together seamlessly. This assistant understands your market, reflects your personal communication style, and follows your exact workflows. Once built, it becomes a repeatable system you can use across every deal and every client interaction. Over time, it saves hours of manual work and becomes more effective as you refine it. Chain of thought and few-shot prompting. Chain of thought prompting improves accuracy by guiding the AI to think step by step before giving a final answer, especially for complex tasks like deal analysis. Few-shot prompting ensures consistency by showing the AI examples of the exact output format and style you want. When combined, these techniques create outputs that are both thoughtful and consistent, making them essential for advanced prompt engineering. Building a custom GPT for real estate. A custom GPT is a personalized AI assistant built within ChatGPT that you configure with your specific needs. You define its personality, capabilities, and knowledge base by uploading your market data, templates, and communication style. This allows the assistant to operate like a trained team member who understands your business and delivers consistent, high-quality output every time. Creating a reusable real estate prompt library. A prompt library is a structured collection of prompts organized by categories such as analysis, writing, communication, and research. Each prompt is refined over time and versioned based on performance. With a well-organized index, you can quickly access any prompt when needed, and sharing this library with your team multiplies its value across your entire business. Automating deal analysis with prompt workflows. A deal analysis workflow chains multiple prompts together in a sequence where each step builds on the previous one. Starting from raw data, the process moves through financial analysis, market context, risk scoring, and ends with a complete investment memo. This structured approach reduces hours of work into minutes while maintaining consistency and depth in analysis. Client communication automation. Client communication can be systemized by creating templates for common scenarios and training AI using your past messages. By providing a few strong examples, the AI learns your tone, structure, and approach to handling different situations. This allows you to generate responses quickly in your own voice, reducing response time while maintaining quality and personalization. Connecting ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini into one system. Different AI models excel at different tasks, and combining them creates a more powerful system. One tool can gather live data, another can handle analysis and writing, while another can synthesize long documents. By defining a clear routing guide, you ensure each task is handled by the most suitable model, and important decisions can be cross-checked for accuracy. Measuring and improving your AI system. An AI assistant improves through continuous refinement. By tracking which prompts produce strong results and identifying those that require edits, you can systematically improve performance. A/B testing different prompt variations and reviewing your library regularly ensures that your system evolves and becomes more effective over time. Advanced techniques, role stacking, and constraint prompting. Advanced prompting techniques enhance precision and depth. Role stacking assigns multiple expert perspectives within a single prompt, leading to more comprehensive analysis. Constraint prompting sets clear boundaries on what the AI should and should not do, improving clarity and relevance. These techniques help control output quality and align it closely with your expectations. Your AI Assistant Build Plan. Building your AI assistant can be approached as a structured 4-week process. First, create your custom GPT with your market knowledge and style. Then, build your prompt library across key categories. Next, develop and test your deal analysis workflow on real scenarios. Finally, set up your communication templates and system routing. By the end, you have a complete scalable AI system integrated into your daily operations. Conclusion. To wrap this up, building your own AI assistant is ultimately about creating leverage, a system that works with you, learns from you, and scales your effort across every part of your business. By combining structured prompts, proven techniques, and clear workflows, you move from using AI occasionally to relying on it as a core part of how you operate. The agents who take the time to build and refine this system are not just saving time. They are building a long-term advantage that compounds with every deal, every client, and every improvement they make. Thank you for watching.